Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC or Diagnostic Trouble Code P1658 indicates that there is an issue with the Electric Throttle Control System ETCS associated with the control relay. This malfunction can critically affect engine performance as it regulates the throttle position based on driver input. The Electric Throttle Control (ETC) relay is responsible for providing the necessary current to the throttle body actuator, which directly influences acceleration and deceleration. When the control relay fails, it can cause engine response issues, resulting in decreased performance or even stalling. The ETCS is located in the engine compartment, specifically within the underhood fuse relay box. Proper diagnosis is essential to pinpoint the root cause of this DTC, as neglecting it can lead to further complications and unsafe driving conditions. The error code P1658 pertains to a malfunction in the Electric Throttle Control System (ETCS) relay circuit. The ETCS plays a pivotal role in managing throttle inputs by electronically controlling the throttle valve based on driver commands. The relay acts as an intermediary that allows the powertrain control module, PCM, to control throttle operations effectively. It ensures that the throttle body receives the right signals for optimal performance. The ETCS relay is situated in the underhood fuse/relay box, making it relatively accessible for inspections or replacements. If this relay isn't working correctly, it can lead to both performance issues and unsafe driving scenarios due to unresponsive throttle control. Several potential causes can lead to the appearance of DTC P1658. One common factor is intermittent failure, where the system may appear functional but can fail under specific conditions. This often points to poor connections or loose terminals at critical junctions, such as the ETCS control relay or the powertrain control module, PCM. These loose connections can cause fluctuations in power supply or signal that affect the relay's operation. Another possible cause is a defective ETCS control relay. If the relay itself malfunctions, it won't appropriately supply power to the throttle body. Additionally, wiring issues that affect the connection between the relay and the PCM can also trigger this DTC, leading to a failure in the throttle control feature of the vehicle. The manifestation of DTC P1658 can significantly affect vehicle performance. One primary symptom drivers may experience is poor throttle response, where the vehicle does not respond promptly to acceleration commands. This can lead to frustrating driving experiences, particularly in situations requiring quick acceleration, such as merging onto highways. The check engine light, CEL, is also likely illuminated when this error code is triggered, alerting the driver to a diagnosis of the system. Additionally, drivers may notice unstable engine performance, such as unexpected stalling or surging, which could compromise safety. Furthermore, inconsistent acceleration patterns may emerge, where the vehicle accelerates unpredictably due to failure in signal transmission from the throttle position sensors. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC P1658 involves verifying problem conditions. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This initial action prepares the system for diagnostics. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, conduct the ETCS test. This tool allows you to interface directly with the vehicle's onboard computer and diagnose issues related to the electric throttle control system. During this test, check the relay circuit for any faults. If the circuit is functioning correctly, it may indicate an intermittent issue, suggesting you investigate for poor connections or loose terminals at the ETCS control relay and the PCM. If it's not working, you would proceed to step 2 for further diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step, the vehicle must first be turned to the off or lock mode to ensure safety while working on electrical components. After securing the vehicle, proceed to remove the ETCS control relay located in the underhood fuse/relay box. It's important to handle this component with care to avoid damage. Once the relay is removed, you need to conduct a test on the ETCS control relay itself to determine its operational status. Use a multimeter for testing the relay's continuity and functionality. If the ETCS control relay tests positive and is functioning correctly, you can move on to step 3 for further investigation. If it fails the test, replacing the relay is necessary to resolve the DTC. The third step involves further checks for wiring short circuits related to the DBW-RLY-CL line. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is off or in lock mode, similar to previous steps, to ensure safety during this procedure. You will then need to jump the SCS, System Clear Signal, line using your Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This action is a diagnostic method that allows for checking fault codes and continuing diagnostics. Next, disconnect the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, Connector A, which has 51 pins, to access the necessary test points. Check for continuity between test points 1 and 2. Test point 1 should measure the terminal at the PCM connector A, pin 50, and test point 2 must be at a solid body ground. If there is continuity, you will need to repair the short in the DBW-RLY-CL wire connecting the PCM to the throttle body. If not, you will proceed to the next step. For the fourth troubleshooting step, it's crucial to ensure that PCM connector C is disconnected to access the wiring. With the vehicle still off, disconnect the PCM connector C, which has 51 pins, ensuring all previous connections are also untouched. Then turn the vehicle to the on mode, but avoid starting the engine. This action allows you to measure the necessary diagnostic voltage. Use a multimeter to check the voltage between test points. Test point 1 should connect to PCM connector C, pin 1, and test point 2 should connect to a body ground. If you detect battery voltage at this stage, it indicates a short to power in the DBW-RLY out VBDW wire that connects the PCM back to the ETCS control relay. If no battery voltage is detected, the DBW-RLY out VBDW wire is intact, and further action may be necessary, such as updating or substituting the PCM to resolve the DTC. After all troubleshooting steps are complete and repairs have been made, it is crucial to verify that the issue has been resolved. Begin by scanning the vehicle's computer for any remaining DTC codes to ensure that none are present. Following the absence of codes, the next step involves evaluating the throttle response to confirm that the ETCS is functioning properly. A brief test drive can facilitate this evaluation, allowing you to gauge any performance changes or improvements. During the drive, observe the throttle response closely. There should not be any hesitations or erratic behavior. After verifying these conditions, you can conclude that the necessary repairs have indeed resolved the initial DTC P1658 concern. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P1658, implementing routine maintenance is essential. Start by regularly inspecting the wiring in the ETCS circuit for any signs of wear or damage that could lead to shorts or malfunctions. Make it a habit to check the condition of the ETCS relay as well, ensuring that it securely connects every time. Additionally, keeping the PCM software up to date is vital. Manufacturers often release updates that can enhance the vehicle's functionality and rectify known issues. By taking these proactive measures, including maintaining good connection quality at terminals and relays, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of future faults in the electric throttle control system. In summary, understanding DTC P1658 and its implications is critical for maintaining vehicle performance and safety. The electric throttle control system plays a crucial role in facilitating smooth engine operation based on driver inputs. Proper diagnosis and timely repairs are necessary to prevent performance issues and ensure safe driving conditions. It's also evident that implementing regular preventative maintenance checks can drastically mitigate potential issues, paving the way for a seamless vehicle operation. By following outlined troubleshooting standards and conducting proper inspections, you can maintain your Honda HR-V's electric throttle control system in optimal condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.